I know what the secret ingredient is for blue milk.
What's the secret ingredient? No!
Hi everyone, we are going to make something different and a different kind of vlog because I don't like talking in front of the camera, but because of Rona, wah wah, we have to do something different. Sorry, R2, I'm not going to make you. You can supervise. We're going to make blue milk from Galaxy's Edge. I'm going to make a...
You know how to make that?
I've been looking.
Oh.
I'm not gonna follow a recipe. I'm gonna follow a roundabouts recipe.
Ay, ay, ay.
That I've been seeing online with rice milk. I got coconut milk, pineapple juice, pineapple chunks, watermelon, and then we're gonna do a non-alcoholic version and we're gonna do an alcoholic version.
Yummy, yummy.
Yum, yum, right? So with the supervision of R2. And did you see who else is supervising?
Oh, that filthy pet.
That child.
That child.
Let's go get those ingredients. Some pineapple chunks. I've been keeping it in the fridge because I want them to be cold. Some organic unsweetened coconut milk. Now, honestly, I'm Cuban. I don't know what this is. I don't know the consistency of this. But if it's like coconut water, it should be good, right?
Oh boy.
But it said to put coconut milk in it.
Okay.
We'll see. We have rice milk. Again, Cuban. We don't do rice milk, but we'll see what it does. I was arguing in my head, should I use unsweetened vanilla almond milk or just stick to the rice milk and just add vanilla extract? I'm like, just add vanilla extract. I think we got everything we need. I have my food coloring, which we need for the blue, right? I think, oh, rum!
Where's all the rum?
Where's the rum? Why is the rum? Come on!
Ay, ay, ay. Here, I got some really good stuff.
What is that?
This is the true.
Oh,
the true
Bacardi
Cuban
smooth
rum.
A spiced rum smooth. Yeah, I think this will do it. They say, a lot of people say that the blue milk tastes like a virgin pina colada. Wouldn't you think? It has like a pina colada-ish.
It's not as sweet.
It's not as sweet because it
Which is what I don't like about it.
Pineapple. A lot of people say that the flavor behind it is not necessarily as much pineapple. Yes, there is pineapple, obviously, in the recipe, but it's not the main flavor. The main flavor, from what I can tell in the recipes, is dragon fruit. I've never tasted dragon fruit.
Yeah, it is like dragon. It's very plain.
But it's like an extract of dragon fruit, and God knows where to get it. So it says 1 cup of coconut milk.
Don't you just blend the dragon fruit?
1
That's how you get
cup
extra?
of plain rice milk. Half a cup of crushed ice. Cameraman, can you get me crushed ice,
sure,
please? Thank you.
I'll crush it.
2 frozen cups of pineapple chunks. However, I do not have 2 chunks. We only have 1 can, so we will have to make do. 1 cup of watermelon chunks. I do have enough of that. See, 2 teaspoons of dragon fruit concentrated flavor drops. And it says here 6 drops of royal blue. Thank you, Professor Van der Eyck. Of blue Americolor soft gel paste, which I don't have. I have blue food coloring.
Yes.
Thank you, cameraman. R2 approves. I would stick him in there, but I have not sanitized him. I don't know if he has the Rona.
Oh God.
JK. 6 drops of royal blue Americolor soft gel paste. I don't have that. I have blue food coloring. So I will add the food coloring as we go because it is such a soft blue. I don't want to make it look like it's nuclear blue, right? So let's do this. Let's see. Coconut milk, 1 cup. See, that's the only thing I'm really going to follow. Oh, no, wait, that's not coconut milk. That's rice milk. See, told you. solid.
You put it in the fridge.
Was I not supposed to?
Yeah, that's why it's solid.
Oh my god, it smells like
Coconut.
oh my god, it smells so good. I don't like coconut flakes, but I love coconut.
How much coconut milk?
1 cup? I think that's 1 cup.
I don't know. Look at the can. Let me see the can. Give me
A
the
third cup. It says a third cup. Oh no, a third cup, and there's 5 per serving.
Can I see it,
So
please?
it's about. I'm gonna keep going with the thing. You figure that out. 1 cup of plain rice milk. See, it already looks. Again, I don't even know how much we're making. How much is this serving for? This smells like nothing. 2 cups of frozen pineapple chunks. I'm just gonna put what I have. 1 cup of watermelon chunks. Oh, I love watermelon. Ooh. Folks, I have washed my hands. Dad, I need that. I'm ready to go. And then a 1/2 cup of crushed ice. And I have a feeling we're gonna have to add, ooh, it's flying everywhere! I'm gonna have to add more. And vanilla extract, because some of the other recipe says, yes, vanilla extract.
So a little bit more than half.
A little bit more than half, thank you. 1/2 cup.
No, a little bit more than half is 1 cup.
This looks like something you put in your hair.
Yeah, go ahead.
It might be good for your hair. I think that's
Oh, there you go. You can measure right there, babe.
Yeah. How much did it say?
1 cup. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Look at the line.
So cool. Oh look, it's not solid on the bottom. That's 1 cup right there. Listen, I don't bake, I don't cook. What I do like is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and an adult cocktail every once in a while. So I will make this.
Here we go.
Oh gosh.
Ready to make some noise.
You ready, Mickey?
Go, Mickey.
Which button is it? Why is it pink?
Because of the watermelon. Keep going.
Should we taste it?
Sure.
Oh.
I don't think you need more ice. Why, you want it more clumpy?
I can't tell if it tastes like it.
No.
Should we just taste a small smidge before putting it in the ice glasses? Doesn't taste. We didn't put pineapple juice.
That's what's missing.
I said it.
How much?
Just put it in.
Oh boy.
Okay, go. Here, I got a regular glass. I got a regular glass so you can pour it. R2, no, yeah, R2, you ready? Well, it's not exactly blue, but it's close enough. It's pretty close.
Is it?
It is pretty close. I think it needs more ice. Pretty good. I think it needs more ice because it needs.
You're gonna water, but you're gonna water it down.
But we need ice.
You know what you do? You put it in the freezer for a little bit, and that'll turn it into slushy.
Ready? That's Galaxy's Edge. All right.
The
so
one
here you go. Then R2 approves, and so does Gio.
Fill her up.
Pretend we're at the cantina. Hey, Rex!
Cheers!
So I'm gonna do...
Why don't you put it in there? Oh, you're gonna... Okay, I see.
Wow, it's really blue.
We did put a lot of coloring.
So I'm just gonna put a hint of this because this is more coconutty. And then the spice rum. This is a liqueur. So we're not going with the Havana Club. We're going with the Bacardi, right?
Mm-hmm. Give it a good shot.
A shot of Bacardi spiced rum.
Fast, fast.
Oh my God, that's so good. That is so much better. This one tastes like the one at Galaxy's Edge with the rum. Taste. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is blue milk with spiced rum.
That one's good.
This one is really,
That one's really good.
really good. Follow me on the video because I did not write down this recipe.
No. Rewind.
Rewind. A lot. Pause. Figure it out. But it's not that hard. I do think the only thing that's missing is probably the pineapple. Not the pineapple. The what is it? The dragon fruit. Right?
I'm telling you, I like it more like this.
But
I don't know what you did, but I like it.
it's Galaxy's Edge blue milk. And we don't know when we're going back.
It's a qtdisneychik version.
The qtdisneychik version of blue milk. Maybe next time we'll make the fuzzy tauntaun.
Oh yeah, we could do that.
All right, everyone. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my blue milk.
You are?
My spiked blue milk. Gio's gonna enjoy his regular blue milk. R2 approves.
Cheers.
Boom. And hopefully we'll be at Galaxy's Edge soon in the near future. I do have a surprise. I will be building my lightsaber in July if everything reopens safely. Yes, and I will be wearing a tribute to one of the Star Wars characters, one of my favorites. And hopefully we'll be doing some not so Disney adventures at a local state park. Oh, something I forgot. I hope to be doing aerial footage. Cause we have a drone! But anyways, we're gonna enjoy our blue milk. You guys are gonna watch the video because I did not write down the recipe. I just winged it. And cheers to you all and hope everybody is safe and we can get back to the park soon. Miss all my Disney friends and family. See you next time.